So guys, here is the new version of Lightroom. So all you gotta do is, first of all, just you have to do is just download this DNG cinematic preset file from the links down given in the description. Also, you can just download it for your PC as well as for your camera Lightroom also. So the very first thing we're gonna do is just add the photos to our Lightroom gallery. So just click on this plus button. Now click on the three dots, unselect the raws, videos, only select the JPG, and let's just add the preset or the photos. Now just click on this plus button and click on the three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file or the DNG files which are present in your mobile Lightroom or the gallery of your mobile. Now here is the raw file, which is a cinematic preset which I personally handcrafted for you guys. So just click on this and click on the add button, so it would be added to all photos. So let's wait for the moment to be added. So here almost every photo is added. Now here is the preset file which we gonna just copy the preset. Just right click on it and select the copy settings and hit OK. Now go back and let's just try it on some other photos. Let's just try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots on the right screen and just select the paste settings, and you can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very cinematic and a perfect color grading, Now let's try it on some other photos. Let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and just select the paste settings, and you are done. You can see the difference. Your photo is totally turned into a very cinematic and a very moody cinematic trending color effect, which is nowadays found on almost all the famous photographers are using this kind of color effect in their photos. So we're gonna just use this to our photos and just make it look more cinematic. Let's try it on this photograph. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you are done. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after, guys. This is really an amazing preset. You can also just download this preset in the form of desktop Lightroom version, and as well as for your Photoshop in the form of camera preset. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you're still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, mobile Lightroom preset, and other cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. So guys, go and check it out, that website. Also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, that is ashvircreations. Also guys, we're gonna launch second website, that is filterpreset.com. So guys, stay tuned on that website. Also we're gonna just upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets there. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.